And we've been given assurance by our security teams, our investigative arm, that they have done adequate check. They have apprehended the person who is suspected to have been the one who caused the harm and fatally injured the other student. But this morning, the candidate will do the exam from wherever they are. And thereafter, we shall conclude the process. And I'm sure they will be taken to court in the course of time, maybe even as early as today.
It's also good to report that the students who are involved in those fracas, that was on Saturday night, there were 3 boys, and the one that did the stabbing, all of them have been arrested. We are also managing so that they also, however much we've arrested them, we also make sure that they do their exams also as the legal system takes its place.